You see behind me, there's a commercial lot right here. It's got different businesses. And some of you are thinking, well, maybe I want to get into commercial real estate in retail. Before you dive into retail, you have to know, is retail right for you? Some of you might have gotten burned recently in multifamily because of some of the foreclosures that's been happening. And now you got shiny object syndrome. But before you get shiny object syndrome, look at it this way. Maybe you never underwritten your multifamily correctly. Maybe you just know, like, and trust, and you never verified who you're working with and looked at the underwriting. Before you invest, at least understand the underwriting. If you don't know what the best underwriting tools are, send me a message. I'll send you the one, and it includes videos and a tutorial. It's one that I use myself and a lot of top operators use.